Today we got the car seat to unbox. The brand of this car seat is KinderKraft 1-3 car seat. This car seat is suitable from 9 months old to 12 years old. We were going to unbox this car seat and I will show you how it fits in the car. So shall we go, guys? You hook this behind the seat of the car. Easy cleaning, it reclines, and one more reason I bought this one is because I want the ISOFIX one. ISOFIX is the one you just click it in the car, so it's so easy. You don't have to mess with the seat down. So how do you do this? Seatbelt.
Open the clasps, then loosen the stretchy straps. And now you can easily remove the cover. Now you can wash it in a washing machine.
This one is removable. The padding is removable so that for when Layla grows a little bit bigger, you can remove this magnet with the buckle. And this one is there's the thing for when you recline it. You pull this lever so that you'll
and then there's the important function in the form of the 5-step backrest adjustment.
And I'll show you the back. This one. One hand. This is the side.
And the deep side safety devices will effectively protect the child.
use this one. So I think you click this one here to loosen the belt. Okay. Pretty nice. Nice one. So, hey guys, this is how it's been installed.
When the child is still very small, use the 5-point inner belts. Later, the car seat belts.
Adjustment component to desired height and close. And when your little one has grown up even more, you can hide the belts. Open the flap, unfasten the snaps, pull the headrest locking part. Remove the cover from the middle and lower part of the seat. Pull the belts out and hide them. Next, hide the buckle. Cover with the flap and done. Installing in the car takes only a few minutes. Insert the yellow guides. Slide out the Isofix mount and slide it in until you see the green colour. Press the seat against the car's back seat. The last stage, the top tether belt. Put the hook on, drag the belt until the green marker appears. Correct.
Hello? Hello? You like you in your car seat? Hi. Yes, please. Peppa Pig. You got daisies. Hang on, baby. Okay.
cake. Yummy, yummy cake. Where's your card? Have you got a heart-shaped card, Bobby? Is it yummy? Tasty. Yum, yum, yum.